Hi guys, and welcome to Bucharest in Romania. I just brought down the garbage, and here in Romania, they're locking in their garbage. Anyway, so I want to show you our Romanian home, well, our Airbnb to be exact. And we're lucky today. The weather is not that bad, although still it's kind of gloomy, right? Anyway, so we've got the graffiti here on the walls. This is the back door, actually. You know, I don't understand these things. And this door, and it closes. So this is like the back door. Well, I'll show you the front door. So this is like a Soviet house, right? Well, let's show you these Soviet letter boxes. Soviet button to press, and then you go out, and you have there's not some great view from this house they started building, and some garbage, and you know, not so bad. I mean, I've seen worse places, right? Anyway, I want to show you our Soviet, okay, our Romanian home. Let's go. It's on the second floor. No elevator. But that's okay, it's not so bad. People have been here for a few days, and yeah, nobody has given us any troubles. Some kind of a balcony, I don't know how it works. And there's our stroller, this is our apartment. And let's go right in. See, the light always goes in if you're standing out, but if you try to open the door with the key, it's a bit of a problem. Anyway, hello, I'm home. See, this is our Romanian home, our Soviet home. This is how Romanian people live. This is a Romanian boy, and it's not a Romanian boy, it is a Swiss boy, disguised as a Romanian boy. Hello. This is a Romanian woman, no, it's a Soviet woman, Soviet Swiss woman. Well, anyway, let's start here. This is the door. Here I came in, and actually, here we have a washing machine plus tumbler, so you can, that's a very good thing. This is actually quite new. Yeah, you get some storage room, shoe room, and you know, you can hang a jacket here, and you have a mirror, of course. And yeah, let's go. See some Soviet art. Now, I'm not sure what kind of art this is, but it looks like Paris. It is Paris. It says it's Paris. Anyway, see the Soviet woman cleaning the floor and doing an okay job. We have 2 coffee machines here. I think they're from the West. Same like with this fridge, which is not a disappointment. Well, it may be disappointing what things in here. Yeah, we're here just for a few days. No, actually, well, we've been here for almost a week. And yeah, I want to show you how the Romanian people live, and that's how they live. The lady who's renting this out, this is like their grandmother's apartment. I'm not sure if the grandmother passed, but anyway, so until a few months ago, this grandmother used to live here, or something like that. Anyway, it's not that clean, right? I'm not pointing fingers at anyone. Anyway, here's some jam, some salt, some tiger, some bread, some earphones, you know, some condiments, like honey. I mean, this is where I went earlier. Oh yeah, the good thing about this apartment is not now, but like in the summer, you'd appreciate the mosquito netting. See, this is where we went with the garbage, and yeah, this is these are Romanian balconies, which I have more to add actually. Anyway, so we have some kind of a pantry here or whatever. See, you put this is my little son spilled all the eggs. That's what my wife has been doing, cleaning this. Yeah, cleaning 30 eggs. Oven, stove. There's still some eggs in there. No, the egg carton. Salt, you know, some wine. Isn't that cute, guy? Anyway, yeah, let's go. Follow. Well, this is a bedroom there. Let's go to the living room, where my Romanian kids are living and eating and having a a healthy breakfast of apples, because an apple a day keeps the doctor away, isn't it? Yes? And you're having a jam bread with jam and butter, which is so right. You have an apple after, very good. We have to get you a haircut, right? Anyway, so the Romanian living room. I must tell you, we did clean up a little bit earlier, but it takes a long time. When we came here into the Airbnb, it was super spanking clean, everything in order. So I can only speak highly of this Airbnb, but it's not going to be an Airbnb after, because we're renting this place out for long term. So I cannot even help her by saying how great the Airbnb is, but it's quite great. I like it. Yeah, well, this table, of course, there's my kids' toys are part of the toys. This is Rainbow, by the way, and Playmobiles. They have a reading section, mostly in Romanian, so we don't really know what's going on. We can read it, but we don't understand. We have a very nice TV. Well, it's a bit dirty now, but we'll clean that before we leave. Very nice smart TV with YouTube and all. And there's the AC. Of course, now it's not hot. It's well, figure in terms of April, right? So it's not super warm yet, but it's not cold anymore. Not that cold. It's still sometimes, depends. Anyway, so that is the Romanian balcony, which is not really a balcony, more like a winter garden, right? But anyway, so it's quite nice. I mean, you can do lots of things here. You could plant here. I don't know, but all the balconies in Romania are like closed, like this one. So you have some mosquito netting, which will be appreciated in the summer, I'm sure. Anyway, so there's a lampshade, whatever stuff. And yeah, there's my daughter's suitcase. Cleaning products, Hoover, some fake plants. Oh, this might be not even fake. No, it's not. It's a real plant. Anyway, yeah. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Not too bad. And let's go. Yeah, for a family. This it's not a great apartment, not a big apartment, but it's well, big enough. Called big enough. There's some of the art, some plants, some mirrors, lots of mirrors here, and lots of little things like a hair dryer, like some tissue, like a good smelling thingies, The bathroom, which is a regular toilet, which I've been told that you don't show on your video or your thumbnail. Anyway, yeah, the heating. By the way, yeah, in Bucharest, you have a problem with hot water, but this apartment and many others have a separate boiler, so you don't have the problem. Because we're staying in another Airbnb, I did not film it before without a boiler, and we're waiting there for 10-15 minutes to take a hot shower, which was not really hot. And this is the Romanian shower, the Soviet shower. I'm not sure if people will get pissed off me saying Soviet, but I've copied this by a very famous vlogger. Not saying his name now. Anyway, boy, how's your apple? Is it a good apple? Because, the apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Anyway, so this is the bedroom. My wife pretending to be working. Yeah, it looked, I can tell you, I should have made a video the moment we came in, because it was so overwhelmingly clean and nicely put everything. So I regret that. We did have to clean it up a bit now, in order to show you guys how clean we live, which we don't. But it's not so bad now. It was a lot worse earlier. Anyway, so yeah, there's some furniture. There's my wife's suitcase, the table, a rocking chair. This is my suitcase, and this is, I'll tell you, the curtains. Yeah, this is a bed, and one of the kids sleeps down there. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the sofa here turns into a double bed. So the two of us sleep there, and two of us on this bed, and one on the floor. So it works. We're not complaining. Anyway, cupboard. Also I must say there's lots of stuff, lots of like towels and blankets and soaps and smelly things. So this is a very nice Airbnb. I cannot stress that enough. You know, although they don't care, they don't want this to keep as an Airbnb any longer. That's why I'm not, see the mirror. That's why I'm not putting a link up. Anyway, so let's look out the window. Well, the thing is, the area is a little bit depressing, I must say. It's not my thing. This is mosquito netting. But this goes up. I mean, it's not so bad here, right here. But in Bucharest, there's lots of these, like living areas where they have lots of houses and it all looks the same. And it's a bit depressing. I mean, the center is nice. You might have seen a video, but yeah, Romania is not bad. People are not bad. They're quite nice, but also a bit stern. Hey guys, I'm still making a video, but maybe not for us. We were planning on staying here for a while, and we're reconsidering it now. So let's see what happens, okay? Anyway, yeah, so that's the Casa de Romania. We got butterflies like we're still in India. Hey boys. Hey boy. Anyway, so say bye-bye to the guys inside the camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay guys, yeah, I'll show you the apartment. Hope you appreciate the video. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.